Dokily, welcome back to Shaving Down Under. I'm Doug, and today we have an unboxing from Russia. Love these stamps. No one really uses stamps anymore, do they, in the western side of the planet? Very nice. Okay, now you're staring at the box, we want to know what's inside. Looks like a box of chocolate. And shaving's like a box. Don't know what you're going to get until you open it. I actually have no idea how to get into this. I'm just thinking this looks like how it's done. Yeah, when in doubt, scissors. Maybe not. It's childproof. Oh, here we go. Always check inside the box, people. I'll have a story. I've got a big box of stuff coming from America, and I'll relate a story that happened there. I got very fortunate because sometimes small things get wrapped individually and then get stuck under cardboard flaps inside boxes. There's no doubt about it, this is very, very well wrapped. That's nice there. Thank you. Nope. Oh my God. This is the pitfalls of unboxing videos. You like to think it's going to be fairly streamlined. I just wondered Tutankhamun was wrapped up as good as this. Okay, we're getting somewhere, people. Now, a lot of you people are just thinking, look at that box, it looks like a Slim Aristocrat, and you've sort of right, but it's a Russian one. No peek. I'm going to peek first, people. Ah, you can peek as well. There it is. The Russian Aristocrat. I wonder if that's been made up. Who knows? Let's have a look at this. This is in very nice order. It is used. You can. It's hard to tell. Let's have a look underneath. So it takes less twists to open and close than a Gillette. But that's all free and easy. Let's have a look here. Oh, that's wobbly. In fact, I'm not even sure that works. And it is clicking, whether it's yeah, it's that first few to about 5. So I think they're the adjusters. Yeah, it does go down. That's to 0. Well, I was hoping it was in a bit better condition than that, but it doesn't matter. I can't remember what I paid, but still an interesting piece. I don't know if there's a way to fix that up or not, but there it is. A little bit of paperwork that come with it. It's at 23rd of the 11th, 77. I'd say that date is. Whether that was a purchase date or a manufacturing date. Very interesting. Oh, I hope you enjoyed the video. Bit different. Little bit disappointed down here. Whoops. Definitely it's the same. You got open. That's disappointing. Like the first 4 don't even really register. Oh well. What the hell, a slim I probably have on 6 anyway. So at least that part's working. Okay. Thanks for joining me. Hope you found that interesting, maybe even informative. Just a quick little update. I went back. I bought this from eBay, and I thought, oh, I'll leave a review, but it's too late now. It's taken some time for it to get to Australia for Russia. And remember, I mentioned earlier in this video, I said, no, I just got to check in amongst the stuff to make sure it's there's nothing hidden away. Well, I didn't look too closely, did I? Because here we have 2 packs of razor blades that are just buried in amongst the plastic wrapping. This is one of the ends that was like on it. So always check everything when you get a parcel and make sure there's nothing hidden in amongst what you think is just discarded or junk wrapping. Alright, cheers, ciao.